Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to find the current directory as well as the files directory in Python programming language. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So basically, what we will be making, so basically Python has a library called as OS that allows us to work and gain information of the current working directories, change directories, apply or push data into certain folders and directory irrespective of the relative paths that we are working with. So basically we are going to make use of the OS path or the OS library. And so first thing what I've done is I've simply made a print statement and saying that path at the terminal where we are executing the file. And for that, what we simply need to do is call the library that is OS, and then it's got a method .get cwd, which is .get current working directory, and that's it. It simply prints that out on the screen. And then I've got another print statement that says this file path relative to the os.get cwd, and for that we simply need to make use of the dunder method, that is __file__, which is a special method that is saved in every variable of any Python execution program that gives the information about the current relative path. So let's run this. If I run this code, as you can see on the output window, first thing it shows me the terminal in which I'm executing the file, that is c_users, and then I'm executing it in the desktop, and inside the desktop a folder called as Hackinon's code. And after that, the relative path is simply c_users carl desktop Hackinon's code /main.py, since the file in which I'm executing the code is main.py. So that's it from this quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends. And subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.